Hey, how's it going? This is Jerry with Wealth Dynamics. Thank you for watching today. If you don't know me, I've got to apologize for that. I own Wealth Dynamics and I help you make money, keep it, and multiply it. And my focus today is to pose the question to you, do you need a financial advisor? Now, before you answer the question, you actually have to know what a financial advisor is and what it does. Advice means opinion. So a financial advisor, kind of in a short nutshell scenario here, they give you their opinion on money. So you're going to get the opinion of somebody on money, on investing, on stocks, on bonds, on mutual funds, on all of these different things. And that's what a financial advisor is, and that's what a financial advisor does. Some of them have more or less different licenses. Some of them specialize in certain areas. But that's what a financial advisor does. Mostly they'll charge a fee or a commission to give you their opinion. Now, I want to ask the question, do you need one? My answer is no. And the reason is this: I don't think you need a financial advisor. I think it's an outdated, dying model. It's something that was actually developed for the middle class to get their money into Wall Street and into government-sponsored retirement plans. And I don't think that the advice given is helpful. Now, if you have one or if you are one, listen to this and hear me out here. So I used to be one, and that's why I have this information and this knowledge. I was a financial advisor for a number of years, did very well at it until I realized I wasn't actually providing value with that service and with that industry. When you sit down with an advisor, long story short, they're going to tell you about themselves. They're going to tell you why they're credible, why they have the licenses and how that helps you, and why you should work with them and why they're the better option. And they'll probably tell you their story about their business and why they do what they do and their passion. Next, they're going to start asking you questions, which is good. Questions are good, but their questions are centered around topics like retirement, like estate planning, and like college planning. And they're going to create uncertainty. That's their job. They're going to create uncertainty. They're then going to start talking to you about risk. They'll probably have you do an actual, like a worksheet, a risk tolerance assessment, where they ask you a number of arbitrary questions about the stock market and about losing money and about what your thoughts are. And this will inevitably, again, lower your certainty levels even more. And it's going to result in you and your financial advisor looking at a pie chart or a number of pie charts called an asset allocation model. Your money will go into the asset allocation model and get invested because you'll sign up because they seem like a smart person and they seem nice and they've got a lot of licenses and letters behind their name. They'll charge you a fee for doing that. You'll know all about it. You'll sign the papers. Once the money goes in, you'll meet with them once or twice a year. And that's going to basically be a conversation of, well, you lost money or, well, you made money. Then they'll give you a market summary that you probably could have got from a Yahoo Finance article. And then they'll tell you, remember, keep investing for the long term. And if they're good, they'll try and get you to invest more money. That's pretty much what's going to happen. Okay, you might get a quarterly or a monthly check-in call just to tell you what the market did. Again, something you could probably read in 2 minutes on Yahoo Finance. And you're going to pay for that service. That's why I don't think you need one. If you really want that model, you could get it next to free by doing Vanguard and Investopedia. Between Vanguard and Investopedia, you could get all those services. Now, I don't believe you need a financial advisor. I believe you need a wealth creation coach. What does a wealth creation coach do? I'm a wealth creation coach. I'm going to ask you really, really hard questions about your goals and your current position, and the answers that you come up with will actually increase your certainty level. They're going to increase your certainty level. I'm then going to help you build a blueprint to get you from where you are now currently to what your goals are. Then I'm going to help you build out your board of directors, the other players involved, the tax person, the attorney, the real estate guys, the mortgage guys, the people that you need in your life to carry your plan out. Because I don't actually do everything. I can't do everything. I'm not going to claim to. I'm going to get people that are going to produce for you. Now, the benefit and result of that, my average client sees a 30% increase in income, guarantees an increase in savings rate, and secures 8 to 12% fixed annual returns on their investments in the first 90 days of working with me. Okay, those are the results you're bringing to the table. That's why you need a wealth creation coach, not a financial advisor. Thank you for watching, by the way. It's your Friday. I know you could be doing other things, but you tuned in for a reason, and I want to thank you for that. Have a great Friday. Really quick, I'm going to post an article in the comments. Check it out. Read up on this if you want more info. I will talk to you next time.